Welcome students. Students, today we will discuss and demonstrate one of the very important physical properties of ionic compounds of chapter 3, metals and non-metals, class 10. So one of the very important physical properties of ionic compounds is ionic compounds do not conduct electricity in the solid state, but they conduct electricity in their molten form or solution state. Molten means when they are melted, and solution state means when dissolved in water. So when we dissolve any compounds in water or melt, they separate into ions which are responsible for the conduction of electricity. Like we'll take sodium chloride, that is common salt, NaCl. It is an ionic compound. When we dissolve it in water, it separates into sodium ion, that is the positive ion, and chloride ion, that is the negative ion. Right? So with the help of a small activity, we will demonstrate this property of ionic compounds, that they do not conduct electricity in their solid state, but they do so in their molten form or solution state, means when dissolved in water, as they separate into sodium ion and chloride ion, which are responsible for the conduction of electricity. So we will demonstrate this property with the help of a small activity. So students, to demonstrate this property with the help of a simple activity, we will design a simple apparatus. Like we have taken a 9-volt battery, LED light and wires attached to it. Right? Now we will take common salt in the solid form. Right? This is sodium chloride, ionic compound that is easily available at our homes. So it is in the solid form. Now we will connect the positive and negative terminals of the battery, and we will put the two ends of the wire into the solid form of ionic compound. Right? So students, you will watch that LED will not glow. So LED will not glow. Right? So this is ionic compound in its solid form. Now we'll take a glass of water and we'll put some common salt in it, and we will dissolve it in water. So as we have read in the reaction that when NaCl is dissolved in water, it splits into sodium ion, that is positive ion, and chloride ion, that is negative ion, which are responsible for the conduction of electricity. Now we will dip the two ends of the wires into the water in which we have dissolved NaCl. So what we will see, that LED starts glowing off. When we dip the end in water with NaCl, it will glow. So students, this activity proves that ionic compounds do not conduct electricity in their solid form, but they do so when dissolved in water or in the molten form, as they split into positive and negative ions, which are responsible for the conduction of electricity. So students, you can also perform this simple activity at your homes to understand this property of the ionic compounds. Thank you.